Excuse me,
Yes, sir?
is everything okay? I think there is a small problem.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I order a cheeseburger, but this is a chicken burger.
Oh, no, I'm very sorry about that.
It's okay. These things happen.
Thank you for understanding.
Let me check your order. Yes, I see it here.
You order a cheeseburger with fries?
Yes, that's right.
And you say no onions, correct?
Yes, no onions, please. I write that down. I'm sorry for the mistake. No problem.
I will fix this right away.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. How long will it take? Just 5 minutes. The kitchen is very fast.
Okay, that sounds good.
Can I bring you something to drink while you wait? Yes, please. What would you like? Can I have a cola, please?
Of course. With ice?
Yes, please. Lots of ice. No problem at all. And again, I am very sorry for the mistake. It's really okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
You are a very kind customer.
Thank you.
I want to say sorry again. How about a free slice of apple pie for dessert?
Really? That is very kind of you. It's the least I can do. Thank you so much. I will be right back with your drink and your food. 5 minutes later. Here you are, sir. One cheeseburger with fries, no onions. This looks perfect. I'm glad to hear that. Thank you for fixing it so quickly. My pleasure. Is there anything else I can get for you? No, this is great. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. And enjoy your apple pie later. I will. Thanks again.
This restaurant is very beautiful.
Yes, it is. I really like it here.
Have you been here before?
Yes, I come here sometimes.
The menu looks nice, but it is a little hard to read.
I understand. Many dishes have French names.
Yes, I don't know what they mean.
That's okay. I can help you.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
What kind of food do you like?
I like chicken and fish. Do you like heavy food or light food?
I prefer light food.
Okay, that is easy. I recommend a fish dish.
What fish do you recommend?
This one is very popular.
What is in it?
It is fish with butter and lemon.
That sounds good and simple.
Yes, many people like it.
Is the fish fried?
No, it is cooked in a pan.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, it is light and fresh.
Okay, I think I will order that.
Good choice.
What about a starter?
Would you like something small first?
Yes, but not too heavy.
Then the onion soup is a good idea.
Onion soup?
Yes, it is warm and very tasty.
Is it strong?
No, it is easy to eat.
Okay, I will try the onion soup. Great.
And what about dessert?
You can try a cream dessert.
What is it like?
It is sweet and soft.
That sounds nice.
It has sugar on top.
I like sweet food.
Then you will enjoy it.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. French food is interesting.
Yes, it is worth trying.
I feel more confident now.
I'm happy to hear that. Let's order our food.
Yes, I'm hungry now.
Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Please come in and have a seat. Thank you. What's your name? My name is Lucas. Nice to meet you, Lucas. Are you here for the restaurant job? Yes, I want to apply. Do you have experience working in a restaurant? Yes, I worked in a restaurant for 1 year. What did you do there? I took orders, served food, and cleaned tables. Why did you choose this job instead of another job? I like working with people, and I enjoy busy places. Can you carry plates and trays safely? Yes, I can. Are you comfortable talking to customers? Yes, I like speaking with customers. Can you handle busy hours like lunchtime and dinner time? Yes, I can work fast when it is busy. What time can you work? I can work from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Can you work weekends or holidays? Yes, I can work on weekends and holidays. Do you have any special skills? Yes, I can remember orders quickly and I learn menus fast. What is your expected salary? I hope for around $2,200 per month. Do you have any questions for me? Yes, will I get training for the food menu? Yes, you will get full training. That's great, thank you. Can you start this Sunday? Yes, I can. Good, welcome to our team. Thank you, I'm happy to join.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What's your name?
My name is Ethan.
Nice to meet you, Ethan. Are you here for the festival staff job?
Yes, I want to apply.
Do you have experience working at events or festivals?
Yes, I worked at 2 events last year.
What did you do there?
I checked tickets and guided people to the right areas.
Why do you want to work at a festival?
I enjoy busy environments and I like helping different people.
This job needs long hours. Can you stand and walk all day?
Yes, I can.
Sometimes the place gets very crowded. Can you stay calm in crowds?
Yes, I can stay calm and focused.
We also need staff to move small equipment. Can you do that?
Yes, I can carry light items.
Festivals often work late at night. Can you work until midnight?
Yes, I can work late.
What time are you available to start?
I can start any time.
What salary do you expect?
Maybe around $2,000 for the full festival period.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, will you give training before the festival starts?
Yes, we will have one training day.
Great, thank you.
Can you start next Friday?
Yes, I can.
Welcome to the team.
Thank you very much.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please sit down.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Emily.
Are you here for the housekeeper job?
Yes, I want to apply.
Do you have experience?
Yes, I cleaned rooms in a hotel for 1 year.
What work did you do?
I made beds, cleaned bathrooms, and vacuumed floors.
Why did you choose housekeeping instead of another job?
I like cleaning and keeping places tidy.
Are you comfortable working alone?
Yes, I can work alone or with a team.
Can you follow a cleaning checklist?
Yes, of course.
This job sometimes needs fast cleaning. Can you work quickly?
Yes, I can.
What hours can you work?
I can work from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Can you work on holidays if needed?
Yes, I can.
What salary do you expect?
Maybe $2,000 per month?
Do you have any questions?
Yes. Will you train me for your cleaning standards?
Yes, we will give full training.
Thank you.
Can you start this Saturday?
Yes, I can.
Welcome to the team.
Thank you very much.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Mark.
Are you here for the warehouse position?
Yes, I am.
Do you have warehouse experience?
Yes, I worked in a warehouse for 8 months.
What did you do there?
I packed boxes, checked orders, and loaded trucks.
Why do you want this job instead of another job?
I like fast work and organizing items.
Can you lift heavy boxes around 20 to 25 kilograms?
Yes, I can.
Do you know how to use a pallet jack?
Yes, I used one before. Our shift is from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Is that okay?
Yes, perfect for me.
Sometimes we have night shifts. Can you work at night?
Yes, I can if needed.
What salary do you expect?
Around $2,100.
Do you have any questions?
Yes. Will I get a uniform?
Yes, we will give you one.
Great. Can you start next Tuesday?
Yes, I can.
Welcome to the team.
Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please come in.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Jason.
Nice to meet you, Jason. Are you here for the construction job?
Yes, I want to apply.
Do you have experience in construction or repair work?
Yes, I worked for 2 years.
What kind of tasks did you do?
I carried materials, mixed cement, and helped with small repairs.
Why did you choose this job?
I like physical work, and I enjoy building things.
Can you use basic tools like drills or saws?
Yes, I can use many tools.
Are you okay working outside in hot or cold weather?
Yes, no problem.
Our work starts at 6:30 p.m. Is that okay for you?
Yes, that is fine.
Sometimes we work overtime. Can you stay late?
Yes, I can.
What is your expected salary?
I hope for around $2,400 per month.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, will I get safety training?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Can you start next Thursday?
Yes, I can.
Great. Welcome to the team.
Thank you.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Please come in and take a seat.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Sophia.
Nice to meet you, Sophia. Are you here for the nail job?
Yes, I want to apply.
Do you have experience working in a nail salon? No, I don't have experience.
Why do you want this job?
I love art and I enjoy drawing and painting. I want to learn nail design.
So you are interested in nail art.
Yes, very much. I want to improve my skills.
Can you use basic nail tools?
Not yet, but I am ready to learn.
Are you careful and patient when working with small details?
Yes, I am very patient. I like doing detailed work.
This job needs long sitting hours. Is that okay?
Yes, it is okay.
Can you talk to customers politely and make them feel comfortable?
Yes, I can.
What time can you work?
I can work from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Can you work weekends?
Yes, I can work weekends.
What salary do you expect?
I hope for a beginner salary and I want to learn fast.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, will you teach me basic techniques?
Yes, we will train you for 2 weeks.
That's wonderful. Thank you. Can you start next Tuesday?
Yes, I can. Great. Welcome to our salon.
Thank you so much. I'm excited to learn.
Excuse me, are you hiring dishwashers today?
Yes, we are. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Kevin.
Do you have experience washing dishes in a restaurant?
No, but I learn very fast.
Why do you want this job?
I want a stable job and I like working in the kitchen.
This job is fast and sometimes stressful. Can you handle that?
Yes, I can.
Can you stand for many hours?
Yes, no problem.
Are you okay with hot water and heavy trays?
Yes, I am careful.
We need people for evenings and weekends. Can you work then?
Yes, I can.
What salary do you expect?
Maybe around $1,900 per month.
Do you have any questions?
Yes. Will you teach me your cleaning process?
Yes, we will train you.
Great. Can you start this Saturday?
Yes, I can.
Welcome to the kitchen team.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me, are you hiring for moving staff?
Yes, we are. Please come in.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Mason.
Do you have experience in moving or delivery work?
Yes, I helped with moving jobs before.
This job needs strong lifting. Can you carry furniture in boxes?
Yes, I can.
Why do you want this job?
I like physical work and I enjoy helping people move.
Can you work long hours on busy days?
Yes, I can.
We work in teams. Can you work well with others?
Yes, I like teamwork.
We often start very early. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
What salary do you expect?
Maybe around $2,200 per month.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, will you train me in safe lifting?
Yes, of course.
Great, thank you.
Can you start next Tuesday?
Yes, I can.
Welcome to the team.
Thank you.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Please come in and have a seat.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Brandon.
Are you applying for the baggage handler position?
Yes, I am.
Do you have any experience with heavy lifting?
Yes, I worked in a warehouse before.
This job requires lifting suitcases all day. Can you do that?
Yes, I can.
Why do you want to work at the airport?
I like physical work and I want a stable job.
Can you work early mornings or late nights?
Yes, I can work any shift.
Sometimes flights are delayed. Can you stay longer if needed?
Yes, that is fine for me.
Are you comfortable working outdoors in hot or cold weather?
Yes, I can work in any weather.
What salary do you expect?
Around $2,300 per month.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, will you give safety training?
Yes, we will train you before you start.
Great, thank you.
Can you start next Wednesday?
Yes, I can.
Welcome to the team.
Thank you.
Jessica, you're here. I was getting worried.
Oh, so sorry. My meeting ran longer than expected.
You got me worried there. You usually text if you're running late.
Yeah, I apologize for that. My phone died and I didn't have my charger with me.
Ah, that makes sense. Well, I'm just glad you're okay.
Thanks for checking on me.
For a minute, I thought something had happened to you.
I appreciate the concern, Nick. Next time, I'll make sure to charge my phone or at least inform you in advance.
That would be great. Communication is key, especially if plans change.
I promise I'll be more considerate in the future.
No worries. We all have those days.
So, what's the plan for tonight?
How about we grab some dinner and then catch a movie?
Sounds like a plan.
Hey, are you ready for the party tonight?
Almost. I just need to decide what to wear. Same here. It's a big event tonight. Yeah, I heard a lot of people will be there. I really want to look nice.
Me too. I don't want to feel underdressed.
I get that. I'm thinking of wearing a black dress.
Oh, that sounds nice. Black always looks elegant, Lisa.
Exactly, and it's easy to match with accessories.
True. I want something more bold this time. Oh, what are you thinking? I think I'll wear a red dress. It feels confident.
Red will definitely stand out, but it suits you, Emily.
Thanks. I just hope it's not too much.
Don't worry, confidence makes it work.
That helps. Now I'm thinking about accessories.
Keep them simple. Silver jewelry would be perfect.
Good idea. I have a silver necklace I really like.
That sounds great. You'll look stunning, Emily.
Thanks, Lisa.
What about your makeup?
I'll go for a natural look, just light makeup and soft colors.
That fits you well. Simple but classy.
I hope so. I want to feel comfortable tonight.
Same here. Feeling good is important.
Absolutely. Let's enjoy the night.
Yes, let's have a fantastic time at the party.
Hey, have you noticed how faded our window curtains look?
Yeah, they really look old now.
They've definitely seen better days.
What are you thinking?
I think it's time for a change. Maybe we should buy new window curtains.
That sounds like a great idea. It would really freshen up the room.
Exactly.